In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In those settings, scroll down and click on apps. Then select the default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, like for example browser app. Now it's time to click on the one that you wish to set up and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!